Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Steam app. So all you have to do in the first, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You just scrolling down here until you find your apps, click on it. So then it's going to take you to apps list until you're looking for Steam app. Or just click on search. Then here at Steam app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then it's going, so when you click here on Steam app, it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage, click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, just click here on Play Store here. You search here for Steam app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find it. If this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.